welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina. I do product reviews on luxury skincare and makeup, an occasional vlog once in a while, and a luxury accessory once in a while as well. And if you're not new here, welcome back. As you can see, if you've been following me, that I recently just chopped my hair off. I celebrated my birthday just the other day, and I've been wearing my hair really long for years now, and I just thought this is the best time to get a fresh look. I just felt like I just needed a change and a bit more shape because it was just the same look I've had for the longest time. So anyway, today I am sharing with you guys, I'm sure you can see from the title, something really exciting, and I waited to do this. I don't really do unboxings in my channel. I would do product reviews, but I wanted to share this one with you guys because it's the first time it is a fragrance product. So this is from Louis Vuitton. It is my first Louis Vuitton fragrance, and I wanted to share it with you guys, especially because I have been so obsessed with a lot of their fragrances. It's not something that I just recently fell into. I forgot something. But I've liked Louis Vuitton fragrances for a while now, and I never really thought I would ever buy one because I do have a lot of fragrances, but I realized how I was not reaching for any of those, or they just, once I started using the Louis Vuitton ones, because I would get a lot of these when you purchase something or when you ask, I would get a sample, or I would ask for a sample, and I just realized how good they were, how long they lasted, and really how the quality to me is so different from the rest that I have. So being that it was my birthday, I was like, okay, I think this is it. I really am gonna grab a Louis Vuitton fragrance. And I sometimes post about them, but I don't know if you guys can guess what, I mean, I don't post about it so frequently, but let me see if you guys can guess. So anyway, so this is it right here. And of course, of course you got the receipt. So I bought this in the Louis Vuitton in Holt Renfrew in Vancouver. So the total for a Louis Vuitton fragrance, this is 100 ml, the total is $310 plus tax, so it's $347.20. Okay, so this is the 100 ml. This is how it looks. Okay, so the fragrance I got you guys, the very first one that I chose, although I'm in love with quite a few, is called Attrape Rêve. Attrape Rêve. Attrape Rêve. I don't know if you guys can see that, but so it comes in this paper packaging, logos of the front, and so it's a sleeve on the side. You can open it, and here she is. So this is like a paper, a very sturdy paper kind of packaging with a gold Louis Vuitton, I don't know what you call that, tin. And there she is, you guys. So the fragrance is called Attrape Rêve. And I believe the translation in English is Dreamcatcher. And this is a 100 ml bottle, as you can see. So the juice of the fragrance is like a pinkish tone. And yeah, so, and then on the top, as you can see, it has the LV logo. This is how most of them look like. Now, I'm not going to review this. I'm not going to review the whole thing yet. I just really wanted to share this unboxing with you guys because I've been wanting to bring this out already. I really saved it to unbox with you guys, but the color of the juice is not really what sold me. It was really the fragrance itself, and I was choosing between this or Apogee or Contre Moi, and Apogee is more of a lily of the valley at the heart of the fragrance. This one I believe is peony and jasmine, and I think mainly peony, and just the way it sat on my skin. So it was in between. It was between Apogee and Attrape, and they're both very popular fragrances. I just felt like this really was the way it smelled and the way it melted and it mixed with my body chemistry was just amazing. And I think if I chose either of the two, I think would be an amazing addition, but I think this was really more my personality, so the reason why I grabbed it. And it's a magnetic closure as well, you guys, so the way that the mist comes out so evenly is amazing. I smell amazing. So I really just wanted to keep it short, you guys. Just come on here and share that with you. I will definitely be sharing that fragrance with you and doing a review of Louis Vuitton Attrape, and probably also an overview of the fragrance line in general. So, and also show you guys my new short hair. I have a few videos that I want to share as well. New products that I'm trying on. I'm using quite a bit of it now, which is Gucci makeup. But for now, just wanted to keep it very short and sweet. I hope you guys found this video interesting and informative. And thank you for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button down below. And I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.